Hello everyone, this is a Whirlpool Duet dryer. Have you experienced after you load the laundry, press the start button, the motor is running, the drum is spinning, but it won't heat? No problem, you are at the right place. Today I will show you 5 simple checks to fix this problem. Let's start. The first, we need to check the power supply. You might think the motor is running. The power supply is supposed to be okay. No, because the heater needs 240 wattage. It's 244. After we verified the power supply is okay, we need to take the lower panel out to check the heating element. Next, I'm going to check the heating element and the safety devices. This is the heating element. The heating element inside this box. And that's the terminals for the heating element. And then when they comes out, go to the high limit thermostat and the thermal cutoff in the back. You don't have to take the heating element the whole assembly out. You can narrowly measure this from the terminals there to make sure the component and the heating element is working. Let me take 1 lead wire from the high limit thermostat. So they break the circuit right now. I can measure the resistance of the heating element. It's 10 ohms. That's in the range. It's supposed to be between the 8 and the 12 ohms there. Next, I'm going to check the high limit thermostat. So I use this alligator clip, attach one terminal on the high limit thermostat, and I use another lead to go from the top to see if it's closed. If it's open, you have to replace it. Yeah, it's closed. So that high limit thermostat is working fine. Next, I'm going to check the thermal cutout located at the back. First, I need to unhook the wire from the terminals. And then I clamped the meter alligator and use another probe to check if the thermal cutout is good. Okay, so this is thermal cutout is working. If in this 3 tests, heating element, high limit thermostat, and thermal cutout is any component is wrong, you have to replace it. In this case, you have to take this bolt out, take the whole heating assembly out, and you might disconnect all this terminals wire and then can take it out. Last things we need to check is the thermistor. It's located on the blower exhaust. This one. I'm going to take out this wire terminal here. And use meter to check this thermistor. Right now it's a 13.4 KO. So at 20 degrees, it's properly, by the chart, it's a 13 KO. So the thermistor is okay. if thermistor is open or short, usually the dryer will show the fault code. You have to replace it. In that case, loose 2 mounting screw here, and then take this thermistor out. Get a new one in, mount it, and plug in this wire terminal back on. After you check these 5 things, the power supply, heating element, high limit thermostat, thermal cutout, and the thermistor, you can fix most of the dryer without heating problems. But there's still a slight chance, after you check all this, still no heat. So I will post another video for how to check this for the control board, for the relay, and the motor centrifugal switch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.